Start. However good a constitution may be, it is sure to turn out bad because those who are called to work it happen to be a bad lot. Stop. However bad a constitution may be, it may turn out to be good if those who are called to work it happen to be a good lot. Stop. The working of a constitution does not depend wholly upon the nature of the constitution. Stop. According to Jefferson, we may consider each generation as a distinct nation with a right by the will of the majority to bind themselves, but none to bind the succeeding generation more than the inhabitants of another country. Stop. India lost her independence by the infidelity and treachery of some of her own people. Stop. For example, in Sindh, military commanders of King Dahar accepted bribes from the agents of Muhammad bin Qasim. Stop. Jaichand invited Muhammad Ghori. Stop. Maratha noblemen and Rajput kings were fighting with the Mughal emperor against Shivaji, and Gulab Singh sat silent and did not help Sikh rulers against Britishers. Stop. Moreover, in 1857 revolt, Sikhs were silent spectators and did not help the mutineers. Stop. In India, the old enemies are caste and creed, and new challenges are political parties with diverse and opposing political creeds. Stop. Whether to place the country above the creed or to place the creed above the country is a question before the young generation. Stop. We must be determined to defend our independence with the last drop of our blood. Stop. We must hold fast to constitutional methods of achieving our social and economic objectives. Stop. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we should not lay our liberty at the feet of even a great man or trust him with power which enable him to subvert our institutions. There are limits to gratefulness. No man can be grateful at the cost of his honor. No woman can be grateful at the cost of her chastity, and no nation can be grateful at the cost of its liberty. Stop. In politics, bhakti or hero worship is a sure road to degradation and to eventual dictatorship. Stop. We must not be content with mere political democracy. Stop. We must make our political democracy a social democracy as well. Stop. Social democracy is a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality, and fraternity as the principles of life. Stop.